F-A-R-M. Farm! Yay!
What a beautiful day on the farm! Look at those fields! Let's go explore!
Welcome to our fun farm!
Let's meet our animal friends!
Yay!
I am pink and love mud. Who am I? I am a pig. Where is pink? Pink. Where is the mud? Mud. I have black and white spots and eat green grass. Who am I? I am a cow. Where are the spots? Spots. There is the grass. Grass. I have white curly wool. Who am I? I am a sheep. Where is white? White. Where is the wool? Wool. I have a long mane and I eat orange carrots. Who am I? I am a horse. Where is the mane? Mane. Where is the carrot? Carrot. I have a red comb and a yellow beak. Who am I? I am a chicken. Where is the comb? Comb. Where is the beak? Beak.
Keep your eyes wide open. Ready?
I have a flat bill and webbed feet. Who am I? I am a duck. Where is the bill? Bill. Where are the webbed feet? Webbed feet. I have curved horns and a beard. Who am I? I am a goat. Where are the horns? Horns. Where is the beard? Beard. I have long ears and big front teeth. Who am I? I am a rabbit. Where are the long ears? Long ears. Where are the front teeth? Front teeth. I have big ears and a short mane. Who am I? I am a donkey. Where is the short mane? Short mane. Where is the tufted tail? tufted tail. I have a red wattle and a big fantail. Who am I? I am a donkey. Where is the wattle? Wattle. Where is the fantail? Fantail.
It's a Playlish time! We're gonna see something amazing next week.
Shh, it's a secret. Subscribe first, then pack your bags.
Mom, hurry!
Oh, my God! What a mess!